Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are asked to simplify 5 bracket 5 times 5 bracket close is raised to power 2 plus 5 plus 5. So here you have to follow the order of operation, which is either PEMDAS or BODMAS. So here you have to do the parentheses, the bracket, before you multiply and finally you add. Remember that we have 2 additions here, so we'll follow it step by step, one after the other. So 5 times 5 is 25. This power here, square, plus 5 plus 5. The square root of the power of 25. What I mean is 25 squared will give you what? 625. Multiply by 5 plus 5 plus 5. So when you multiply 5 by 625, 625 multiplied by 5. 5 times 5 will give you what? 25. You write 5, carry 2. 5 times 2 will give you 10. Plus 2 is will be 12. You write 2, carry 1. 5 times 6 is what? 30. Plus 1, 31. So 5 multiplied by 625 will give you what? 3,125 plus 5 plus 5. 3,125 plus 5 will give you what? 3,130 plus 5. 3,130 plus 5 will give you what? 3,135. So this is the final answer to this problem. Please don't forget to subscribe and like if you enjoyed this video. See you in my next class. Bye.